Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ella here. I'm going to be doing fashion and styling videos on this channel, so if that's something that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Just want to start off by apologizing that I didn't post a video yesterday. I know I do a weekly posting on Mondays, usually around noon to 2 p.m. and I couldn't really post yesterday because I just had a lot of work to do last week. Didn't have time to film, so I apologize in advance. You're probably going to see this on Tuesday. And yeah, I promise I'll post on time from now on. As you can tell by the title, today we're talking about jeans, and these are my top five jeans that I truly do adore, that I kind of reach for all the time and I can't live without. So I'm going to be sharing that with you. Most of the jeans that I'm going to be sharing with you, I think they're still in stock. So I'm going to link all of them down below. And let me know which one you like. So let's just get started with the video. So the first item we're going to talk about is my Zara jeans. These are the mom jeans. I got them in a size 6. So it comes in 3 colors. So there's a dark blue, black, and then the medium blue. I picked up the medium blue because I just wanted something that I can kind of wear in the summer and winter. So these ones are tapered at the bottom, and they hit me right at the ankle. I'm 5'6", so just for your reference, if you wanted to know, they fit me really nice around the waist. So usually I'm a size 4 in Zara, but I decided to get this in a size 6 because I wanted a little bit of extra room just to be more comfortable. So I really do love these jeans. When I first got them, I really didn't like them as much because they were not really fitting me the way I wanted. I didn't really like it, but as I've worn them, you know, a few times, they have kind of stretched out just a little bit. They do give out a little bit, and it looks really nice on now. I feel like you can, you know, dress these up so nicely with heels in the summer, or even in winter. You can wear this with boots. You can also, you know, dress them down with sneakers. I just think it's such a nice, you know, classic pair to own. I really do reach for them a lot, especially with blazers. I think it looks really nice on. And this color is really beautiful in person. I think the dark ones are really nice too, but I obviously wanted to gravitate towards this one. So yeah, if you like these jeans, if you're looking for mom jeans, definitely check these ones out. I really do love them. I'm starting to love them. You know how you just buy something and you fall in love? I think that's happening with these jeans. So the more I'm wearing them, the more I'm loving them. So I'm just going to go on to my next jeans. So the next pair of jeans we're going to talk about is the Regina Jeans from Mango. These ones I really love again, honestly. I think all the pairs that I'm showing you, I'm truly loving. Like, I can't even tell you. I love them. So this one is in a deeper blue. So they're definitely darker than the mom jeans that I had on because I just wanted a different color. These ones are really soft. So the mom jeans that you saw, they were kind of thicker material. This one's more softer. It's thinner, but they're still denim. So they taper down at the bottom, as you can see. They're a looser fit. So I got this in a size 38, so size 6. And they have these 2 pleats in the front, and they're just a really, like, a nice baggy comfortable look. I was just kind of tired of wearing tight jeans and fitted jeans, and I just wanted like an easy baggy look where I can wear a tight, you know, t-shirt or a tight turtleneck above and just have like a baggier jeans just to balance out. So I found these ones. I really do love them. So these ones for me are looser around the waist and hip area, but I kind of like that because I wanted a more baggier feel anyways, and it just looks really nice on. Like, I just think it's such a comfortable jeans to wear if you want to run errands, or like you just want something comfortable to wear. Like, you're not always in the mood to wear tight jeans. Well, I'm not. Sometimes I just want something that's really comfortable and I just want to throw on and still look stylish. And I think these ones are really, you know, stylish, and I think they look really nice baggy. You could definitely dress these up with heels, and you could dress it down with sneakers. I think they look really nice. It hits me right at the ankle. And yeah, I really do love them, and I'm always reaching for them now. So it's definitely becoming one of my favorites. This one I fell in love right when I saw them. So the other one, I know I'm still falling in love, but this one was instant love. I adore them, and I just think it's great quality. And yeah, I'm going to go on to my next item now. So the next pair of jeans are from Zara. I feel like I'm going back between Zara and Mango. I got the same jeans in 2 colors because I love them so much. These are the wide leg from Zara. I think these are the only 2 colors they have. I really love these jeans. So first I ordered the blue ones, and I love them so much, so I got the black ones because I just think it's so hard to find jeans that fit you perfectly and the length is perfect. They hit me right below my ankle, so I love how I can wear this with loafers, and I can also wear this with sneakers. I can also wear this with heels. I just think it's such a perfect length for me. So if you're 5'6" and you're looking for a wide leg, I would definitely recommend these ones. I just think they're so flattering on. It just gives you such a nice balance. When you're, dressing up with like a nice tight t-shirt and from your hips it goes straight down. I just think it looks so flattering on. Again, I think I really love this color. It's kind of very similar to the mom jeans color. It fits really nice around the waist. I got this in a size 6 again. I also got the black ones in a size 6. And then they're perfect length and the material is really nice. Well, again, you can wear this in the summer and winter and you could just easily dress this up and dress it down. So I think these were just really flattering on. So check these out if you're looking for a wide leg. Again, these are probably my favorite wide legs, and also the mango ones. I'm going to see if I can include those ones here. And let's go on to the next ones. So the next item are my cream denims. I really do love this pair. I wanted to include this one on here because I know a lot of people wear white and cream in the summer, but I also love wearing cream in the winter because I just think it looks really clean. It looks really, stylish, especially if you wear this with, a nice cream turtleneck with a black belt. I think it's such a classic outfit. Honestly, I adore these jeans. I bought them in my last mango haul. So these ones I got in a size 6. So they have these 2 darts on each side. So there's no waistband here. Just keep that in mind. So if you're if you want a pair of jeans with a waistband, this one doesn't have it. So if that's not something that you like, you probably won't like this. But I really like it because I think it just looks really flattering on, especially if you wear a belt. These ones fit me really nice around the waist. Again, these ones are tapered at the bottom and they're folded up. They hit me right at the ankle. They're kind of balloon shaped again. So they're kind of loose at the hip area, gives you an extra room. So I think you can also dress these ones up and you can dress this down. I think this would look really nice on with like a cream satin blouse for Christmas if you're doing a holiday party at home, of course. You can also wear this in the summer. I think they come in 2 different colors. They come in a black and also a blue. I just really love them. I think they're such a classic pair to own in your wardrobe. I think you definitely need a cream pair in your wardrobe that you can wear in the summer and winter. And I think this is the perfect cream. It's not white, it's not beige. It's like this perfect tone of cream. I think it's just such a beautiful color. And I'm gonna move on to my next item. So the next item we're gonna talk about are these black jeans. These ones are from Mango. I got them in a size 6. And they have these 2 pleats in the front and they're kind of wide. So these ones also cut me right at the ankle. I just think it's a perfect fit. It fits me really nicely around the waist and my hips. I'm very comfortable wearing these jeans. I definitely could have sized down on these, but I'm glad I got the 38 because I, really love the way this fits. It is high-waisted. They do have a pleat that goes straight down, so keep that in mind. It's kind of ironed down all the way. It looks really flattering on. I really love these black jeans. I think they're just so flattering on. Again, you can dress these up with boots, with heels, and you could easily dress this down, with some cute sneakers and a white t-shirt even. I think they'll look really good in the summer, and even in winter you can wear this with turtlenecks, with blazers. I think it would look really nice. All in all, I think it's a very versatile jeans to own. I think this only comes in black, but I could be wrong. I'm gonna link these down below. So yeah, that's all the denim that I had for you today. I hope you really liked this video. Let me know what your favorite pair was in the comment below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.